It's the cashers round today, the finals. Got my ball. It's early. I don't like it. And we're moving our way up the points. I don't know where I am. 44th. Higher than that after this week.
Actually, I think you need a good week to pad. You need a good finish.
Well, it's gonna be a good finish. Hey, so I broke the camera. Not really broke the camera, but got these little pieces that keep the mic on the camera. And I forgot my camera was on top of my bags, and my bags are under a table. I pulled one out, camera fell on the ground, and this thing snapped. But I jerry-rigged it. Chris recommended double-sided tape, and it works, I think. Should be okay. Bowled bad, games 2 and 3, like every block yesterday. So, it's not the right things at the right time. But that's okay. I think we're gonna finish 19. Did Jake strike in the fill? Jake, did you strike in the fill? You got 9? We tied for 18th, I think. Oh, we're gonna pack up the car. We got a lot of things. We gotta fill this vlog with something, because this isn't gonna be enough. We'll figure it out. All right, yo, so we got a lot of questions in the comment section on the last video asking us if we get balls for free on the truck and what we do with them afterwards.
We pay full retail for every single ball.
Yeah, no. The companies provide for us bowlers on tour. The companies provide for us bowlers on tour. We drill whatever we need as long as we check with the ball reps and they're okay with it. And as far as what we do with them afterwards, if they fit in the car when we travel, we take them all. If we have balls that we feel like aren't going to be useful for the rest of the tour, we give them away to fans hanging out. Personally, for me, and I think Brad and Kyle as well, they give away balls to the people that help them film. So if you guys see me without someone holding the camera and you're at one of the tour stops and you want to film, potentially might get you a ball. I'm not going to guarantee it though, because it depends on what I have and what I think I'll need. So if you're going to be in Colorado, I think I do have at least one. that I can give away. Unless it looks really good next week, then maybe not, but yeah. All right, we just had lunch at Torchy's Tacos. Is that exclusive to Texas? Not exclusive to Texas, but Torchy's is the nut. We're gonna go back to the Nike outlet because Chris didn't get to go last time. We're gonna see if anything's cool there. Mikey and I saw nothing that we wanted to buy, and I had intentions of buying something. So we'll see if we can find something nice this time. All right, Mikey, what's the situation?
I'm not even putting that on. Yeah, it's called the one center court.
What's the situation here?
So my right shoe's falling apart on me.
Your bowling shoe?
Yeah, and we're on a trip, so I obviously can't go back home and get my backup pair of shoes. Need to find a suitable right shoe, just in case.
Got a find here?
We got to find. I was actually just looking for a winter coat while we were up in Milwaukee. I bought one. Maybe I should have waited. Nice little Nike jacket here. Originally $140. $24.
Bang.
I mean, easy. I already have one, but I gotta buy it.
All right, now we're at South Plains Mall. It's weird because normally after we're done bowling, we just leave. But we have the hotel till tomorrow. Tomorrow's our travel day, 7-hour drive. And obviously we can't check into our hotel till tomorrow, so here we are at the mall. We've got one item purchased so far. Let's see how many, you know, it might stay at one. All right, we met up with Jake and friends. We were trying to figure out how long those gumballs have been in the machine. They wanted to buy one, which we have. And we're gonna drop it on the floor to see if it shatters. Well, I think we got our answer.
Oh, that's great.
We're at shoe department now. Encore. Mikey's still looking for a right shoe because his bowling shoe's busted.
You think they'd let me bowl in this?
Big old Puma logo.
If they'd let me go.
Yeah, your foot wouldn't smell by the end of the day.
That'd be really good for Nick. He's got stanky feet.
Yeah, these are Nick's for sure.
Oh, these.
Look at this nice traction. They just look though, we can't get these.
It's a no-go.
Not approved.
Mikey, there's a second item you're looking for.
This is my wheel.
What is it?
This is actually the first item I was looking for. It's a
The
bucket.
first item.
Bucket hat.
He's looking for 2 items.
Close but no cigar. Couldn't find the right size. I got big head.
Have we found one?
Might be between two.
This one and that one?
Yeah, White Castle or White Castle.
We succeeded.
Sort of. I didn't get a right shoe.
Do we approve? Let us know in the comments if you like.
It's waterproof as well.
Good deal. Well, Mikey got what he was looking for. Sort of. One of 2 items. We ended up with 1 item apiece. Don't think I can show you guys what I bought.
I forgot.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the content, let us know if you guys want to see some more post-bowling shenanigans, future vlogs. And we'll see you in Colorado.